That was a close one. Now what do we do?
We solve the riddle and find the treasure before the diesels.
Right. How did it go again?
Who is the one who is hiding my treasure? That isn't a question, it is the answer. Well, that doesn't make sense.
But know that who is not who they seem. Their true source is hidden, if you know what I mean. No, I don't know what you mean, Captain Callus. Pirates sure are tricky.
Follow their waters to where they do fall. Here behind their watery wall?
Water. Fall. Watery wall. A waterfall.
Yes, that sounds right.
So, there's a waterfall, and the treasure is hidden behind.
Brilliant. Well done, Percy. You are clever.
It must be the waterfall on Toby's branch line. Let's go.
Is that Ronald McDonald?
The old lady told me what I had to do. Take the great big breath and start singing this tune. She'll be dancing all the time. Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Thomas, are they gonna slit our coupling rods? No, Percy, we'll think of something.
Dominique, are you all right?
Run, Percy, run! Go faster, faster!
She is such a jerk! I really